Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to apply upper eyelid liner. Achieving a polished look with eyeliner can truly enhance your eyes, and it's easier than you might think. First, gather your essential tools, your favorite eyeliner, whether it's a pencil, gel, or liquid, and ensure you have good lighting. A steady hand and a clear view are key to a smooth application. We'll go over everything you need to know to get started with confidence. Now, let's dive into the basic application technique. Begin by creating small, connected dashes right along your upper lash line. The goal is to keep the line as close to your lashes as possible, which helps create a natural, fuller look. Don't worry about perfection on your first try. You can gradually build up the thickness of the line to achieve your desired intensity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time and enjoy the process. Once you've mastered the basic line, you can start exploring different eyeliner styles. For a subtle, everyday look, simply keep the line thin and confined to your lash line. If you're feeling more adventurous, try creating a classic winged effect by extending the line slightly upwards and outwards from the outer corner of your eye. Don't be afraid to experiment with various colors and textures to find what best complements your unique eye shape and overall makeup. To ensure a flawless finish, here are a few final tips. If you make any small mistakes, a cotton swab dipped in a tiny bit of makeup remover can easily clean up the edges. For increased longevity, you can gently set your liner with a matching eyeshadow. Most importantly, remember that consistent practice is your best friend. The more you apply your liner, the more confident and skilled you'll become, leading to beautiful results every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.